Hello, my name is Jeff. Welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 2010 Volvo XC90. It's a V8 all-wheel drive. The color is electric silver metallic. That was a special color. It was about a $700 option, and it's only available on the V8 model. It's equipped with the Xenon headlights with high-pressure washers. Has power retractable side mirrors. And it has the chrome covers. Also, has the built-in cameras there that give you a warning if there's a car in your blind spot. Also, some chrome trim right here at the rear pillar. Silver roof rails. Nice body condition. Beautiful color. Split tailgate for easy loading. And then naturally the center row and the rear row of seats will fold down flat. No dings, certainly no rust. Lots of power with the V8. Here's a look at the interior. Power seats on both sides. They are heated. Factory sunroof. Rain sensing windshield wipers. Automatic climate control. Premium sound system. All wood steering wheel. It's beautiful. As well as wood console and gear shift. Here's a look at the third row seats. They have shoulder belts and built-in headrests. Here's a look at the rear seat. Excellent condition. I don't know if you can see it, but it has a red stitching. It's very luxurious looking. I'm going to start it up for you. You can take a look at the instrument cluster. Here's the navigation screen. Comes up automatically. And there's your navigation. Goes down automatically after you exit the vehicle. Beautiful XC90, the top of the line model, and in great condition, very well maintained. Give us a call. We'd love to answer any other questions you may have. And thank you for tuning in.